How you doing? You say who is you? Okay.
Okay, so my brother, he's sick, right?
You say he's sick.
He's mental, so you guys can't leave him here. There's no possible way. We've been trying to get him out, trying to help him, but he's not gonna leave.
What kind of mental
He
issue?
can't see me talk to him either because he's gonna hold a grudge against me. He's probably gonna, I don't know what he's gonna be capable of right now. He's just crazy.
Okay, who lives
Worse.
here?
The last couple of days have been kind of proceeding. Each day is kind of getting better and better. Today is getting bad where he's making my grandparents and my mom sit in the living room. He took their phones. I just kind of had to sneak out here because I saw you guys out here. So I don't know what you guys need to do, but you guys need to take him, get him into a psych ward, and he can handle the rest.
He taking any
I can't have him stay here with my
Can you listen? I'm asking you.
Oh yeah, fine.
He's taking any kind of medication right now.
I don't know anything right now, but currently I know that he's just not in his right mind. But I can't.
Does he work or no? Does he work? Does he work or no?
No, he hasn't been able to work because of he's kind of being like this.
So
It's happened before.
Does he diagnose with anything like a mental retard?
He's been in the psych ward before, so it's not the first time. So
Is he on medication?
No.
Who is living here?
My mom, grandma, grandpa, my whole family, they say.
Okay.
What
What his name? What his name? One more
We don't
time.
have any workers, but right now, but there is stuff in the house. I don't want him to grab any weapons.
Do you live here with him too or no? Okay.
Who's that?
What his name?
His name's John.
John.
John Lee, right?
Okay. Let's go talk to him real quick. See what we're dealing with.
He's trying to hold a grudge against me.
Okay. Okay. So you the one who called the police, right?
That's why we called you guys.
You might want to stay there and wait for us.
I'm gonna be in here.
Hello. Hi. Is here some police?
John,
That's John.
can you come out and talk to me, John?
You can talk right here.
Okay. Can I see you? I want to see who you are. I want to make sure that you have nothing. You have any weapon on you?
I have nothing.
Okay.
What's going on, John?
Nothing.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
Is there anybody inside the house beside you?
My family.
Your family? Can I talk to your mom? Is your mom home? Okay. Just leave the door open. Let me talk to your mom. Anh là đánh gần sao?
J-O-N.
K-O-N ơi.
John.
Là tên tiếng Mỹ à?
Tiếng Mỹ.
Lê là L-E à? Có họ không? Có middle name không?
John Cường Lê.
Bớt đây ngày nhiêu?
Thôi chừng nó đóng cửa tụi nó làm gì bà ngoại á nha. Nó đóng cửa là chết rồi.
Hey, tell him open the door. Don't let him close the door. Birthday là ngày nhiêu?
Nó sinh ngày... Đã thấy chưa? Đã nó lót cửa là chết luôn á.
Ok. Đi ra kêu nó mở cửa đi.
Nó lót cửa là nó ngay. Làm mình sợ lắm.
Để em ơi đó.
G, 40 days, I got stabbed, shots fired. Hold on.
Hold on.
Okay. I got a med kit right there. My backpack, my backpack. The brown thing, Yeah. Come out! Bring out everything.
Okay, sit down. Okay, I got it.
6 still there.
Still there. Still breathing.
Come on. Fuck!
Got grease?
Yeah, no, he stabbed me. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me apply pressure.
Okay.
Man, God damn, that's boring.
Let's go.
Okay, it's right here, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, let me apply pressure.
That's your knife, right? Yeah. Sorry, that's my knife. Yeah.
Yeah, my head's feeling now, but
Okay, you wanna
Should I apply pressure on your neck?
lay down?
Apply pressure on your neck. You sit down in the car. Stay warm. Hey,
You wanna sit down? You wanna sit
sit down. I'll stand. I'm good.
take your sound.
No, you need to.
SWAT 1603, the suspect is He's on location. I'm not sure if he's much today.
Where's the suspect at?
He's sitting inside.
You sit on the floor.
You got shot too?
I shot him.
Okay. You wanna sit down?
Sit down in the car.
1603, have you put me on the call?
Okay, go sit down. Okay.
You sit. You put HFD.
Yeah, got it.